Good morning, Philippines! Look who is back! Guys, I just got back yesterday from the US, and I needed to attend a wedding of a friend, of a co-mom, right after I arrived. So I'm jet lagging, obviously. I'm very tired, but I'm very happy to be back. When I arrived, it was raining. The weather was not good. Nevertheless, I'm excited to be back, and I'm looking forward to a lot of things, including editing yung mga traveling vlogs natin para pakita ko sa inyo lahat ng mga place na pumunta ako during these almost 2 months. Actually, if I counted back, it was what, 40 plus days? 45, 48? Kasi umalis ako ng 25th June. Bumalik ako ng August 8. Oh, sino magaling sa med dyan? Para ma-compute ko ilang araw ako out of the country. But wow, those are epic vacation. It was really a must-waited break. And I'm excited to be back. And I'm excited to fix my life. I'm excited to put in things that I've, to start things that I put on hold. And I'm excited also to see people that I haven't seen so long. So yesterday during the wedding of Ted and of course her partner, I was able to see some people I haven't seen in a long while. I will be posting for pictures soon. Anyways, I'm really excited to be back. And I'm so tired. I haven't yet unpacked. So meron ko 6 na maleta na kailangan ko mag-unpack. So let's see. Kasi on Monday, start ng class na. So may papasok na sa eskwela. So si Anechka, I need to, back to my mommy, mommy mode. Mommy driver, mommy lahat. So I need to make sure that Anechka goes back to school, that she is, well prepared and everything settled so that she can go back to school. And sana po, okay yung jet lag niya. Pero yan, gigising ako na 5 a.m. today, but I slept around 11:30. Tapos gigising ako na 5 a.m. I try to go back to sleep, hindi kaya. Gutom ako sobra. So, yun. So, na-supermarket na ako. Kasi wala food sa bahay. So, na-breakfast na kami. So, yun. So, I'm gonna be meeting some friends later in BGC. So, there. And then, I'm excited because tomorrow, malalive ako from, EW Villa Medica. Kasi magagawa ko ng mga treatments dyan. Kasi na-miss ko sobra. And tsaka medyo masakit yung likod ko sa mga karga na mga super heavy na malita kasi mag-isa ako, diba? Ako yung mag-pack, ako mag-carga. So, yun. So, I'm so happy to see you guys. I'm excited to, to see the people I miss, my friends. I haven't seen them in so long. I'm very excited. And I was so happy to see my babies. And then now my babies are looking like rats because nabuol-buol yung buhok nila. So, itong ginagawa ng pet groomer na pumunta sa bahay. Tingnan mo. Grabe naman kawawa my baby Snowy tsaka my baby Coco. Tingnan mo yung itsura. What happened, Wawa? What happened, baby? Somebody remove all her hair. Oh my gosh, poor Wawa. She looks like a little hat. And then si Coco Dino. So now, oh my gosh, yung hair nila that I was so proud of, that I'm so careful with, it's gone. Tingnan mo si Coco. Coco, baby, what happened to you? Why? Why, love? Why? Mommy gonna do something about it. I'm not happy with you being naked, baby. Super lambi nila. Si Charlie naman, ang kulit. Grabe. Si Charlie kasi medyo straight yung buhok. Come here, baby. Come, Charlie. Si Charlie naman, teka. Come here, baby. Pero si Charlie kasi, I don't allow him to go in my bed. Yung mga girls, sometimes they can come in my bed. Pero si Charlie, hindi. Not allowed. Kasi si Charlie, he shreds May buhok siya He's a cavalier, King Charles Cavalier. Charlie, come here, baby. Come here, baby. Come. Oh, let me show you your face. Charlie's is bigger. He's fat. He needs to, I need to diet him and, oh my gosh. Oh, yay. Dito si Charlie. Charlie, say hi, baby. Oh, dito si Si Charlie boy, he likes kissing. He's a kisser. And just took a bath yesterday. Okay, baby, go down. So there, guys. So yun. So, of course, excited ako. I hope everybody has been doing well. So, again, welcome to the Philippines this time. Welcome to Metro Manila. So yun, so dito tayo sa Metro Manila. We're back and excited kasi may maraming trabaho magagawa natin para sa vlog natin. So may maraming edit na mga materials, may maraming bagong vlogs na umpisa tayo para ma-release sa inyo lahat. And of course, yung sinasabi ko katulad ng kanina, magkukomito ko talaga na todo-todo sa mga live vlogs, kahit nasaan. So baka, who knows, diba? Baka tabi-tabi tayo, hindi nyo alam, nabigla live ako, andyan na pala kayo. So yun. So, I just wanna keep in touch. I just wanna say thank you for your love, care, and support. And I'm excited for the new things to come. And of course, today naman, I'm gonna sleep. So yeah, I'm gonna try to rest as much as I can kasi sa Monday, start lahat eh. Diba? Babalik na, may ibang school na babalik na sa eskwela. Of course, yung iba naman, starting Monday. So, prepare ko din yung sarili ko kasi ako yung mommy driver. So, yung traffic on Monday. So, medyo kailangan ko ma-prepare yung sarili ko kasi grabe talaga. Na-start na pala gagaling ako sa airport yesterday. Buti naman, my flight, landed very early in the morning. Pero may traffic na, tsaka it was umulan siya. Kasi medyo masama yung panahon. Pero today, it's looking brighter. It's looking better. So, let's just pray that stays that way. So, less people, nobody gonna get affected. Right? Kasi sadly, so many people got affected from the last bagyo, yung Karina. Grabe si Karina, maldita talaga si Karina. So, yun. So, let's give time for people to recover. And then, let's give time for people to prepare. Kasi back to school talaga. So, yung lahat na mommies out there, good luck sa inyo lahat. Good luck sa amin lahat. Kasi, yun talaga yung mga nanays natutuka sa mga, mga anak nila, diba? We need to make sure na handang lahat, yung mga materials nila, yung mga pa-school, and then yung pahatid, yung sundo, lahat. So, we go back to regular, of course, schedule natin. But nevertheless, masashare din ako, kahit dito sa Pinas, yung mga live vlogs ko, para mas lalo kami maging close. Diba, guys? So, thank you talaga sa love nyo. Thank you sa lahat. And yun. And then, makikita tayo ulit baka mamaya or bukas na. Okay? So, love you guys. And then, kita-kita tayo ulit dito sa Pinas. Okay? And I want to also say a big hi to everyone that it's also